cheerful morning to my dear kids. How are you all? Good? Happy? I'm also good, beta. This is your science class and I'm your science teacher. Dear kids, as we have completed reading of chapter 10, Save Natural Resources, and we have studied about many natural resources, water, soil, air and fossil fuels. We have studied about their importance, about their uses, about how they got polluted and how we can prevent them from getting polluted, how we can save them, and why to save them is very important at the moment. So we have covered all these topics. So today we are going to do worksheet 2 of chapter 10, Save Natural Resources, and activity 5. Come, let's begin the class. This is our worksheet 2 of chapter 10, Save Natural Resources, on page number 109. Question 1 is unscramble the words to reveal 3 different fuels. Here beta, some words are given but we need to unscramble them to reveal, to find out 3 different fuels. So tell me, first is, what can be first? Right, it is LPG, which we use in our kitchen, liquefied petroleum gas. Now second, what can be second? Right, it is petrol. And with the help of petrol, vehicles run. Yeah. Next is, right beta, it is coal. C-O-A-L, coal. Now second question is, write whether each statement is true or false. Beta, we need to read the statements, then we need to identify whether they are true or false. Coal is used to run steam engine. Yes beta. Now tell me, do we use coal to run steam engines? Yes. So it is true. We will write here true. We should not cook on slow flame. Yes beta. क्या हमें slow flame पे cook नहीं करना चाहिए? False. करना चाहिए because cooking on slow flame saves fuel. So it is false. Next is LPG is used for cooking. Yes beta. Now tell me, we use LPG for cooking or not? Yes, we are using. So it is true. Now beta, third question is complete these sentences by filling in the blanks. And words are always also given to you for your help. Energy and wind. We need to fill these words in the blanks. Moving air is called. Yes beta, what do we call moving air? Right, moving air is called as wind. And it possesses a lot of energy. Right here, energy. Yes beta. Fourth question is, take the correct answer. Some fossil fuels are coal, petrol, charcoal, or all of these. Yes beta. Now tell me, right, because these all are fossil fuels, so we will take on all of these. Question 5th is, label the following natural resources. Yes beta, it is a pictorial question because pictures are given here to identify. We need to identify the pictures. Yes. What is this? Right, this is LPG. So here we will write LPG. Now what is this? Yes, this is coal. So here we will write coal. Yes beta, now we have done worksheet 2. Now please open activity file. Yes beta, this is our activity file on page number 111. Please circle the things that cause water pollution. Beta, here some things are given to us and the question is asking we need to circle those things which cause water pollution. So first of all, we need to identify the things. What is this? This is paper. What is this? This is a polythene bag. What is this? This is a tin, a coke tin, a cold drink tin. What is this? This is a log of wood. And what is this? These are leaves. So beta, among these all, the things which cause water pollution, we need to circle them. And what are these? Right, these are polythene bags and tins, coke tins. So beta, we have done our activity file also. Today we have completed worksheet 2 of chapter 10 Save Natural Resources and its activity file and fun file also. So your homework is to complete them in your book, and beta, please go through with the chapter once again so that you will not forget anything. Read the chapter whensoever you get time. Please be at home, be safe. We will meet soon. Till then, take care of yourselves.